Hello friends, today let's talk about something super simple but super important in English. Adjective order. It's one of those things you don't even realize you're messing up until it sounds weird.
Let's get started. So imagine you want to describe a t-shirt, and how will you describe it? So as you can see in here, the t-shirt, it's blue and it looks cool, and not only that, it's made of cotton. So here's other adjective, and how are you going to describe it? For example, like a blue cool cotton t-shirt. Will you describe it like that? So but you can say it like that because it sounds a little bit strange, right? Okay, so it's not correct one, and actually the correct order is like a cool blue cotton t-shirt. So it's the correct one. So how do you think why the word adjective cool is in the first place and why the cotton is in the last place? So why? So here's the basic order you have to follow. This is the natural order we usually follow. So it's opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So this is the basic order we usually follow. So I'll explain you with the examples. So in opinion adjective, so it's like, how do you think about it? Okay, so for example, wonderful, wonderful place, a nice dress, like that, a beautiful t-shirt or something like that. So opinion is what you think about it, and next one is size. It's how big or how small or something like that. Okay, small, table, huge, tiny, and then tall. So this is the size. And next one, age. How old it is. How old something or someone is. So the example words are old, young, new, and ancient. Okay. So the next one, shape. Shape is round, square, and flat. Okay. So color. What color it is? So green. Okay, green book. The blue sky and yellow dress, like that. Okay. So the next one, origin. So origin is where it's from, where the thing is from. For example, Myanmar dress, or Italian food, or American shoes, or something like that. Okay, so it's the origin. And material, and it means what it's made of. Okay, what it's made of. For example, wooden table, cotton t-shirt, or plastic auto. That. Or the last one is purpose. Purpose is sleeping, cooking. For example, sleeping bag or cooking while, or like that. Okay, these are the types of adjective, and this is the order we have to follow. Then how can we bear in mind these things, this order? Okay, so to remember easily, we can bear in mind like opinion. So the acronym is O, size, S, H, A, shape, S, color, C, origin, O, in material, M, in the last one, purpose, P. So O, S, A, S, C, O, M, P. So like that. We can bear in mind something like Osa, comb, or Osa's comb. So let's see together. Okay, so in here, the basic order we need to follow is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So the first letters of this word are OSA, OSASCOMP. So we can bear in mind something like osa, scone, or Some people say 오사스 comb. So it's your which. 오사스 comb or 오사스 combs. It's up to you. Okay, so these adjective plus now we have to use like that. Okay, so let's look at the examples in here. So in here, a beautiful long red dress. Okay, so in here, beautiful is the opinion. Long is, what is it? What type of adjective it is? Okay, it's long, it's size. And how about size? And red is color. So that's why beautiful long red flats. Next one is dress is noun like that. Okay, we have to use like that. Okay, so the next example is long brown hair. So if your hair is long and it's also brown, how will you describe it? Brown long hair or long brown hair? So the true thing is long brown hair. Okay, but I know it sounds crazy when you pile them all together, but most of the time you'll just use 2 or 3 like that. Okay, so you don't have to use 4 or 5 adjectives all together in one time. Mostly we use 3 adjectives or 2 adjectives. Okay, let's see more examples. So here's are the examples with the sentences. Okay, so the first sentence is they live in a small old French house. Okay, so in here, small is the size and the old is age. So in here, so when we think about the orders, so opinion, size, age. Okay, size, age. So size comes first and then age comes in the second place. So that's why size and age. Size, age, and then French is origin. So where is it from? Okay, so opinion, size, age, shape, color, or origin. Yeah, size, age, origin. You need to think like that. Okay, so in number 2, she bought a cute round wooden table. Cute round wooden table. So in here, cute is the opinion. Opinion comes first and then round. Opinion, round is shape. Okay, how about wooden? Wooden is the material. Yeah, okay, so in here, opinion, size, age, shape, and then color, origin, material. So that's why in here, opinion, shape, material. So we need to order like that, the adjectives. When you see the adjective, mostly 2 or 3 adjectives, so you can order like that. Okay, so to sum up, you need to bear in mind like osa comb or osa's comb, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Alright, that's it for the adjective order. Keep it natural with practice and it'll just start to feel automatic. So you have to follow the basic order, right? Okay, so if you want, drop a comment below with your own crazy adjective sentences. I'd love to see what you come up with. Okay, see you in the next lesson, friends. Bye bye. Thank you for your attention, friends.